Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm here with another technique for making money. So let's get started. This video is about affiliate marketing. So I will choose my platform of affiliate marketing. Right now, I'm going to work on Digistore 24. It's up to you which platform you are in. All you have to do is register or sign in to your affiliate marketing account and go to marketplace, choose your niche and take the topic, get started. You can see there are many promoting options in business which I chose, and I'm going to choose the first one. I'll be making my topic for in the first one. You can see you will have all the information about the promoting product you want. Now we are in the magic part, the bot, which will make our work easier. It will write a blog for us without us without thinking. It's going to do all the work for us. It's called the any word. Any word you write, it will make for you a beautiful blog. All you have to do is sign up or sign in your any word website. You will see the blog wizard in your right side. There you choose or type your topic and it will do all the magic by just generating. Just keep generating and just reading or just ignoring. It will rewrite everything for you as a blog. Now after generation is complete and you have all your topics, whichever topic you have chosen, 3 ways, 2 ways, 7 ways, you have to copy the text. Just click on the top bar and copy. All you have to do now is to copy text, paste in your Google Docs or any editing software you want. I will be using Google Docs. I will paste it here. I will be adding an image here to give more attraction. I will download the image from freepic.com where you get every images for free. I will be using the same copied code in between each of these texts to give it a highlight attachment. I will attach all the links as I'm showing, so you do the same thing. Save the document as a PDF. This PDF will contain the link to your affiliates. You will be wondering where to upload this document now. What am I going to do with the document now? How am I going to share with people to get that money? Don't you worry. We have a good platform where millions of people visit. It's called SlideShare. So all you have to do is register and sign in to upload your document. People visit, millions of people visit in this website. So you can be one of them to provide the documents for them to read. After uploading, give a good title, copy the same description in your affiliate marketing platform, and make sure your tags is very important. Your tags is correct and relevant to your document, which will be searched by a lot of people. So your tags is very important. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up for my channel for more videos.